then I was like, oh, wait a second. I already put a lot of stuff in that hole. So we're going to try to go ahead and do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tape off my ends, because they won't want to go in the hole without fraying. So I'm going to tape this up so we can get it in really easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go ahead and do it right in here, row 5. So I want to come down 1, going down 1, and then up the other is how I'm doing this, because I want to tie it from the inside so that it hangs down here, but it ties on the inside. Okay, so wherever you want to cut it, this is where I've learned a nice little valuable tip, is go ahead and put your tape on your cord where you want to trim, and I'm just going to spin it so it'll roll that up really quick, and then I'm going to cut right there. This keeps my cord from untwisting, and then it's all ready to go for the next.